Hey everyone, Josh at Double Edge Sharpening, and I've got a knife here that, if you can see, it's got a broken tip. It's not going to take long. It's going to be a really quick video. I'll go and sharpen it up after. These are actually like butter knife dulls, so it's actually going to take a little bit of grinding to actually get the bevel, but I thought make a video to show you how quick we can fix broken tips like this. Alright, so gonna wet it down, and here we go. Once we get to the tip, once we start getting closer, I'll probably start tip first so it doesn't overheat. The reason we do it from the spine is we want to keep the shape of the actual edge part, the blade. Okay, we're almost there. Go a bit now from this way. Almost. A little bit more. There we go. Now we're just gonna get rid of some of the sharp edges here. And that is it. The tip is now back and I can go ahead and sharpen it up. So that's it for this video. Thanks for checking me out. Double Edge Sharpening.